All AI video generations claim to be innovative, but most of them just go and recycle the same old features. I tested 5 platforms to really see which one actually brings something new. And the difference was obvious. All the links in video will be at the very top of the video description and in the pinned comments. I'm really excited to get into this video. Let's go. Alrighty folks, so we're over here and we are going to show you the agents and models section. As you can see, I have it selected right down here at the bottom, and there's a lot of different options that you can choose here. You got VO 3.1 fast, Sora 2 Pro, everything that you need is going to be right here. So today we're going to go with Sora 2 Pro, and it is OpenAI's most realistic video model with audio character support. Okay, so we can go in here. As you can see, we've got a few different projects here. I'm going to go ahead and start a new project. Okay, Blade Runner World Scene Dystopia at Night. So we're going to make a scene there, create the project. And so we're here. So as you can see, we're in Sora 2 Pro AI. We've got the label here. All right. Generated assets are going to be shown up here. And we can choose the different formats we want. All right. The duration, everything like that. Going to make it 4 seconds. Okay. Just go for the 1 there. All right. So let's go ahead and press generate. And let's see what Sora 2 Pro, this AI model, comes up with. All right, folks, so it has popped up here, okay, the Blade Runner world scene in Dystopia at Night in the TikTok format, okay. So let's go ahead and give it a bit of a play, shall we? Let's turn the sound on. Pretty cool, guys, pretty accurate. Very realistic, just as I said. The rain falling on the hood, I think in particular, is very impressive, actually. And I really like the background. It does look very cinematic, all right, which is cool. And there are some other people in the background. And yeah, I have to say, this does look like it could be in, year 2098. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with this, guys. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about this generation? I think it's pretty awesome. So I think it's really important that today I want to talk to you about why I'm choosing to use InVideo.io to create these generations. For example, FreePic and Artlist basically lack trending templates as well as viral effects. OpenArt doesn't allow prompt to video generation inside the same project, so that's a no-go for me there as well. And for Higgsfield AI, they require separate projects, separate tabs to actually experiment with different models. So for me, that just makes things a little bit clunky. Alrighty folks, so on InVideo.io here, this is just the basic prompt section here. And if we just scroll down and have a look here, we've got some great sections here under the agents and models section. We've also got workflows and the explore section as well. So we do have agents and models selected, and you can basically go ahead and select the different ones here. Okay, you've got your different projects that are here as well. So basically down here, guys, again, in agents and models, all right, you've got a section there, create new, and we're going to go, all right, we're going to go ahead and hit new project there. Let that load up and save. All right, and then we're going to pop in a prompt. So we're going to do something like create a realistic scene in the evening at a post-apocalyptic street market setting. Many people around. Character is an Asian woman equipped with a weapon. Let's hit generate. That's going to be with Nano Banana Pro. And we're going to let that run through. All right, so that looks to have come up and it looks to be done. So let's click on it. That's pretty good. I have to say, that is pretty good. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pop this prompt in as well for a video. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit generate too. So we'll let that load up on Sora 2 Pro right now. All right, and we're going to go ahead and play it now.
Fresh sage. Hard to find these days.
Not today, thanks.
Suit yourself.
Yeah, I have to say, pretty good. Got the post-apocalyptic world in the background. It's definitely a marker. It's an Asian woman. She's got a weapon. She's got like a sort of homemade armor and everything like that. This is cool. This is something that could definitely be used. So very impressive. Like it. And do remember as well, folks, that it did come from the agents and models section here. We can go ahead and choose from a variety of different little templates here. InVideo centralizes image and video generation, team collaboration, and multiple models inside one project. In terms of competitors, they often fragment this process. The outputs across tabs or projects are always quite fragmented. This is not good because it slows down creativity massively for you creating a project as the creator. When using competitors, they either limit models or require switching between tools mid-project. There is just obviously a lot more creative flexibility and much faster project completion when compared to other competitors in the space. Everything stays very organized for iterative testing. The ability to use viral trends and templates is extremely useful, keeps the project's final product far ahead of all of its competitors. So what are you waiting for, really? Try generating some prompt to video right now after you watch today's video. The link to go ahead and get signed up will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. Use the agents, use the models, and make sure you do explore the trending templates, because as you can see, there's some pretty cool stuff going on right here. You'll very quickly see why InVideo is the real leader for innovation here. Then in terms of the pricing, the generative package is the best value deal here at $100 a month, and you can get up to 20% off if you go ahead and subscribe for the yearly package. So I think that's definitely the best value for money one there. If you did go ahead and enjoy today's video, then make sure you take a moment to like the video, subscribe, hit notifications, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.